Qanaken they are walking over the bridge. Okay, endi ularning mishqotda they are walking. Ular mengotadi over degan mana üstürimizde şu ko'rikdan olib kelib qanday qilyotidi? Mengotadi. Demak, shu ko'rikni o'tab o'tibdi. Agar ko'rikni oldida jim turgan bo'lsa on the bridge deydi. Tushunami? Endi lekin endi ko'rikni olib o'tab o'tibdi, tushunami? Shuni they are walking over the bridge. Over the bridge. Ko'rikdan olib kelib qanday qilibdi? O'tab o'tibdi. Okay, they are walking over the bridge. And then there are some boats on the river. Okay, there are some boats on the river. There are some boats. Barken nima bir nechta qiyiqchaq. Bir nechta qiyiqchaq nari barken on the river. Demak, daryoning ustida. Daryoning ustida bir necha dona nima barken qiyiq barken. Okay. And then Mr. Jones and his wife are looking at them. Jones efendim bilan uning ayoli qanday qilibdi? Are looking at them. Ularga qarab o'tibdi. Endi ular degan nima ashar ekan? Looking at them. Ular deganimiz adat shu nima sanabay ko'rsatgan qiyiqlar. Qaysi qiyiqlar? Shu abaylik qiyiqlar. Mr. Jones and his wife are looking at them. Ular qanday qilyapti? Qarayapti. Demak, endi mush gapni da'vatga vaqtimiz mush rasmda qanday qo'yibdi? Qarayapti, shunami? Okay, qaranglar, wow, bir narsa ko'rikda o'tib chiqdi. Nima ekan? Bu okay, Sally is looking at a big ship. Okay, Sally degan qizchaq nima qarayapti? Looking at a big ship. Sally bo'lsa bir yo'g'on paroxda qanday qiladi? Qarayapti. Is looking at a big ship. Endi buni solganimsa qanday bo'lsa, arkadaşlar? Is Sally looking at a big ship? Nima? Is Sally looking at a big ship? Demakchi Sally yo'g'on paroxda qarayapti. Okay. Aniqda qarab baqilgan bo'lsak, nima desanlar? The ship. Eliq paraxot. Endi bu yerga the ship nima uchun eliq deymiz? Eliq qaysi paraxot? Shu Sally qargan eliq paraxot. Tushunami? The ship is going under the bridge. Men o'tadi under the bridge. Demakchi, ko'rikning ostidan qanday qilyapti? O'tayapti. Endi bu yerga under deymiz, ostidan over deymizmi? Ustidan. Going men o'tadi under the bridge. Shu ko'rikning ostidan mengib o'tayapti. The ship is going under the bridge. And what about Tim, guys? And then Tim is looking at an airplane. Okay, yes. Tim looking at an airplane. Tim bo'lsa nima? Bir aeroplan qarab o'tibdi. And the airplane is flying over the river. And the aeroplan, qaysi aeroplan? Shu Tim qarayotgan aeroplan. The airplane is flying over the river. And the river no ustiga teshib mamadi, ustida mengotadi. Shu nima? Flying over the river. Okay, flying over the river. Okay, endi demak savolashda masalan shu rasm qarab baqsanglar bo'ldi. Bu nima? Story, bir hikoya, shunami? Bu hikoyada endi Mr. Jones bilan Mrs. Jones nima? Kichik qiyiqlar qarayapti, Sally bo'z yo'g'on bir paroxod qarayapti, Tim bo'z yo'g'on bir aeroplan qarayapti, shunami? Va qanday ekan? Bulut bo'lgan bilan lekin quyoshning ko'zaynik paqirayapti, shunami? Okay, but the sun is shining. But the sun is shining. Bo'lsa, shuniki anglash hujjatini bir tushirib olib, yana bir qayta anglagan etmaydi. Okay, so can you answer these questions? So what's the weather like? What is the weather like? It's a fine. So where are the family walking? They are walking over the bridge. So are there any boats on the river? Okay, and the daryoning ustida bir nechta nim bormi? Qo'lvoq bormi? Are there any boats on the river? Yes, there are some boats on the river. So what is the Sally looking at? Okay, and the Sally nimaga qarab etibdi? What is the Sally looking at? Is Sally looking at a big ship or an airplane? Yeah, Sally is looking at a big ship. What is the Tom looking at? A big ship or an airplane? Okay, he's looking at an airplane, right? He's looking at an airplane. So, and the language focus qaranglar. America with, bilan billa. Masalan, a man with a dog. Okay, bir ishni yetilib olgan edi. Demak, bir ishni elib olgan bir ishni bilan degan gap. Masalan, Tim is with Mary. Tim bo'lsa, chip bilan Mary bilan billa degan gap bo'ldi. Uni degan kecha. Masalan, a girl with a long hair. Unda uzun chechewa bir qizcha. A girl with a long hair. Masalan, house with a blue roof. Okay, endi bunda roof degan torus. Ko'k ranglik nimasi bor? O'gisi bor. Oh, sorry. To'g'ri sirtqi bunda ko'k sirlarlik nimasi bor? Uy degan gap. House deganimiz uy ishni. Masalan, I have no money with me. Okay, menda pul yo'q demakchi. Men bilan billa pul yo'q demakchi. Pul menda yo'q demakchi. I have no money, no money. Masalan, eat with knife and fork. And nima with degan bilan billa mush orqali degan gap bo'ldi. Endi eat with knife and fork. Demakchi, pichoq va vilka bilan qanday buni yang. Knife deganimiz pichoq. Buni knife deb o'qishga bo'lmaydi. Nima deymiz? Knife. And fork. Demaganda bilan shunami? Masalan, write with a pencil. Qarindosh bilan yozing degandek. And the kings nimasi arkadaşlar? Correct the mistake. Shu xatoliklarni bir tuzib qo'yinglar. Masalan, he's go to the park with his mom. Okay, and he's go to demdi. Bu nima? He's going to the park with his mom. Endi men ikki fe'llarimiz birga kelinmaydi. Ma birisi nima? Masalan, ing ga aylanganda, masalan, he's going to park. O bag'achiq ketib bordi. Kim bilan? With his mom. Opsi bilan billa. Sharq with shunami? Are you listening to me? Okay. Bu nima? Are you listening to me? Okay. Are you listening to music? Shunami? Siz musiqa anglayapsizmi? Cho'qim ing qetish kerak, shunami? Masalan, does he still helping John? And the American, does he still helping John? MS, is he still helping John? And the American ing bo'lgan ekan, cho'qim BP li bo'lish kerak yani. Tushunalmi? You know, they are drinking coffee in the KFC. They are drinking coffee in the KFC. Xo'sh, amsa moshu o'zga misol qarab to'shqilab qo'yganman. Masalan, Sally is looking at a big ship. Okay, endi bisharaka at data shunami? Masalan, look at degan go'ling topish. Shunaqa, Sally is looking at a big ship. Yoki looking at an airplane. And the Lucy is her family. Lucy is with his family. With her family, sorry. And the king's job. King's qarsak. There is a boat. Bir tal peshtoq bor. Oh, sorry. Bir qo'lboq, sorry. Nima? A river. Daryoning ostidami, ustidami? Nada? On the river. Yaxshi, on the river. And the plane is flying. Ko'rikning ustidan o'tadi albatta. Hargiz ustimda so'kilish bitmaydigan. Over the bridge. The plane is flying over the bridge. And the Tom is in the kitchen. Okay, and then bush birinasi. Ishchida bo'lsa nima? In. Deymiz. Okay, and then learn more about the weather. And the mushu havoga aytmasan, ig'iz tili qanday ishlatamiz? Masalan, what's the weather like today? Hey, bugun havo qandayroq? Yoki how's the weather today? Voy, bugun havo qandaq? Ishqilish ifodalashga what is something like? Qandaq degan gap. Demak, havoga qandaq. Masalan, what's your brother like? Voy, akangiz qandayroq odamsiz? Uningki shu xarakter mijozi, chiroy turqi, bo'y turqi qandayroq bir inson degan gap. Demak, what's the weather like today? Yoki how's the weather like today? Okay. It's sunny today. Sunny deganimiz naytdi, quyosh chiqqan naytdi, otlab chiqqan. Shu quyoshliq bo'lsa, sunny, uchuq. And it's windy today. Okay, windy, shamolliq. Ko'p shamol chiqayotgan degan, shunami? It's rainy today. Yomg'irliq. Yomg'ir yog'di, shunami? It's warm today. Iliq, shunami? It's hot today. Issiq. It's cold today. Sovuq, shunami? It's cool today. Salqin. Cool, salqinlikqa cool deb qo'yamiz. Bu cold degan ma'nosi bormi? Wow, it's cool, shunami? It's cool today. Bugun havo salqin. It's fine day today. Bugun havo payzi. Güzel degan. All right, guys, that's all for today. And you have a couple of homework. First, recite the text, and second, copy the new vocabulary. So that's all for today, and see you next time. Goodbye.